My thinking for this surgery was personal and professional. I give a lot of public talks, and I like to relate to the audience on a real-time basis. My lazy eye was a large distraction for that. So it's been about 48 hours since the operation. Looks pretty straight, move them about all nice. Very good. I've had a little bit of muscular pain because the muscles were cut out, so that's fine. I have to wear this plastic thing while I sleep. It feels pretty cool. In short, why I decided to do it, there was no specific turning point, but I thought that it would be an enormous boon to my personal and professional life, and it has been. It definitely has been. That's fine. Just to give you a close-up, this is the healing. It's never red out here. It's only red on the inside and a little bit swollen, and so from a distance, you don't really notice anything. In terms of vision, my prescription for glasses is exactly the same. I found that I get less headaches, and I've got better vision in my periphery. Fourth full day since the surgery today. I stopped taking painkillers. Actually, today was interesting because it was sunny, so I went out to a cafe. The eyesight seems good. I have no problem walking around outside, navigating the streets, navigating the roads. I actually think it's easier for me to navigate outside now than it was before I had the surgery. At a relationship level, I've noticed the difference when speaking to people. For those around me that know me very well, I doubt there's much of a difference because they're used to it. And they will very kindly say that they never noticed it before. But there's a big difference, and I feel very much more confident now if a photograph needs to be taken. I kind of forgot about it today. That was interesting. For about 2 hours, I just forgot that the eye had surgery. It's looking nice. From a distance, you can tell it looks like kind of a Terminator eye, like it's scanning minerals or humans or something like this. But it's pretty good. I'm very happy with it. Was it worth it considering it cost so much? Well, was the surgery free? No. Was it worth it? I think absolutely. I've had a lazy eye my entire life. Now I don't. It's affected me personally, professionally. I didn't personally see it as the end of the world, but I wanted this fixed. And now it's fixed. And, if I'm being completely honest, I thought it would cost more than it did.